Muslim English Language Institute.
Vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Absurd. If something or someone is absurd, they are ridiculous.
That group of people making animal noises sounds completely absurd.
Anemia. Anemia is a blood condition that causes a person to be pale and tired.
When she first developed anemia, she became tired often.
Aristocracy. The aristocracy is the highest class of people in certain societies.
Most members of the aristocracy were very well fed.
Aristocrat. An aristocrat is a person who is of the highest class in certain societies.
The aristocrat did not need a job because his family was wealthy.
Attire. Attire is nice or special clothing.
Everyone wore their best attire to the president's daughter's wedding.
Craze. A craze is a brief and popular activity or object.
Wearing bright red socks was a craze when I was in high school.
Enlarge. To enlarge something means to make it bigger.
The classrooms were enlarged over the summer to make room for more students.
Excess. An excess is an amount of something that is more than needed or wanted.
Because it never got cold that winter, many stores had an excess of coats.
Feminine. If something is feminine, then it has qualities that are commonly related to women.
Many of the older people thought his long hair made him look too feminine.
Hallmark. A hallmark is a unique characteristic of something.
Different types of pasta and tomato sauces are hallmarks of Italian food.
Pad. A pad is a thick piece of soft material used to protect or clean things.
Football players wear shoulder pads to keep them safe.
Predominant. If something is predominant, then it is the most important, common, or strongest.
Before cars were invented, horses were the predominant method of travel.
Reputable. If someone or something is reputable, then they have a good reputation.
The service from the less than reputable company made her angry.
Rouge. Rouge is a red powder or cream used as makeup on the cheeks or lips.
Even when she didn't wear rouge, her cheeks appeared red.
Signify. To signify means to be a symbol of something.
A red octagon is used to signify to stop.
Strap. A strap is a thin, long piece of fabric used to fasten, carry, or hold something.
She put the strap of her purse over her shoulder and walked out of the door.
Tangle. A tangle is something or many things twisted together.
The laces of his shoes were in such a tangle that he could not untie them.
Vanity. Vanity is excessive pride or love of one's own appearance or things one has done.
Her vanity won't allow her to pass a mirror without looking at herself.
Vie. To vie for something means to compete against others for it.
The three boys vied for the prize in the chemistry contest.
Vulgar. If something or someone is vulgar, then they are rude or lacking in style.
Her vulgar behavior got her into trouble with her parents.